Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by launching Chrome and signing into your school Google account. This ensures correct access and roster links. Once signed in, open the Meet link from Calendar or enter the meeting code. Join now so permissions prompt appears. You must allow camera and microphone access in the browser. Make sure to choose the right devices. Also, enable captions if needed for clarity. These small steps let you enter the class with audio and video working immediately. Once in the meeting, adjust your camera framing and background effects so students focus on you. You should use Present Now to share a tab for slides or entire screen for demos. Choose Share Audio when playing video to keep sound intact. Make use of host controls. Mute participants when needed, pin the current speaker, and open the People panel to check attendance. Also, use chat for links and Q&A. This keeps audio clear and interaction organized during class. To finish, stop presentations, and if recording, press stop recording and wait for the drive upload confirmation. Then end the meeting for everyone or simply leave. Make sure the recording processed in Google Drive before sharing. If audio or video fails at any point, reload the Meet tab first, then test devices in Chrome settings. Switching to another browser or restarting your laptop often fixes persistent issues. For persistent bandwidth problems, turn off your camera to prioritize audio. This usually restores stability quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.